A Hermes profile is a separate agent home, not merely a saved model choice. One Hermes installation can run a coder, researcher, and personal assistant while keeping each agent's configuration, credentials, behavior, history, and automation state independent. Each profile owns its config file, environment secrets, personality, memory, sessions, skills, cron jobs, plugins, state database, and gateway configuration. That separation prevents one agent's preferences, tokens, schedules, and learned workflows from silently becoming another agent's operating context. Create a blank profile with Hermes Profile Create Coder, or use clone to copy configuration, secrets, personality, and skills while starting with fresh sessions and memory. Select it per command with -p, or set a sticky default with Hermes Profile use. Here is the crucial boundary. A profile isolates Hermes state. Terminal.cwd chooses the starting project folder. A sandbox limits file system access. On the local backend, a profile still has your operating system users access, so profile separation alone is not a security sandbox. For production, give every role its own profile, explicit absolute working directory, unique messaging token, narrow tool policy, and clearly scoped secrets. Verify the active profile before changes, and remember that multiple gateways need independent identities even when they share one machine.